What's up? What's up? The brother man has returned. The brother man has returned. I just want to make a quick video here on how these letters work and what people have been using to get things like collections, medical collections, student loans, all sorts of negative items removed from their credit report. So I'm going to let a couple people get on and then we'll get started. We're going to make this video real quick. I wanted to give you a tour of the website. Right now, Myecon is doing some maintenance on their website, so I'll have to do that another time. So, but I do want to show you what this letter looked like. So, what you're looking at is a copy. Actually, you're looking at a copy of the package that you get with all three letters. So anyway, I just want to say good morning to y'all. Where y'all watching from? Comment down. If you're having a good morning so far. If you're having a bad morning so far, let me know. Type it down in the comments. Let me know where you're watching from. And we'll get this morning started right now. We're looking at a copy of Myecon's dispute letters, the letters I've used, other people have used to get negative items removed. And there's just some simple instructions that you use to do this letter. When you're using this letter, basically you send it to all three of your... send it to all three credit bureaus, as you see right there. Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, you pull your credit reports. I'm going to show you a sample credit report here in just a minute. Sacramento, what's up, David? Good morning to you. Oh, you up bright and early. 4:30 for you. 4:30. Oh, man. It's 7:30 here in VA. So much power to you. Hope you have a good morning. So anyway, I'm showing you. And so when you send these letters off, you just follow the instructions. All right. So we're just going to look at the first one. And when you send these letters off, you're going to send it to all three credit bureaus. You're going to use two forms of ID, which are the valid forms of ID are listed right here: driver's license, state ID, passport, utility bills, etc. You have to send two forms of ID, otherwise they'll just send it back to you. So now as we look at this letter, you're going to see some text in red. That means that indicates the stuff that you edit. So what we're going to do, let me get to the part where we're going to get into editing mode. So dispute number 1. And then basically what this dispute letter does, it makes reference to in 1972, the Fair Credit Reporting Act that gives you the right top of the clock. Oh, yeah. Do you normally get up at 4:30, David? I'm not a morning person at all, so this is pretty new well, this is unusual to me, but, you know, you do what you got to do. Anyway. It makes reference to the Fair Credit Reporting Act and your rights to challenge any negative item. And basically what this letter does, it asks the credit bureaus to verify the negative items on your account. And they have 30 days to do it once they receive this letter. If it can't be verified in 30 days, you have to remove it. So basically what you do is you put your information about the things that you're challenging right here. You fill in your personal info there, the credit bureau you're writing there. Oh my goodness, 3 a.m. Okay. Much respect to you, and then you print and sign there. So that's what you do. So we got a sample credit report here, somewhere here. All right, John Q. Consumer. So what's his personal information? Here we go. All right, so here's an example of an Experian credit report here. We're going to use John Q. Consumer. We're going to copy this information just to show you here. We're going to go back to our credit letter. So this is what John Q. Consumer would do. Let's change all his stuff here. We're going to paste that. And then his address is 123 Say, oh, why you gotta put they put the comments right there with the shift buttons there on this thing. All right, let's just do 123 Cowboy Avenue. All right, and we'll do Lynchburg just for the sake of argument. EA. Now they put this app put the shift button right where the comments. They put the comments right over the shift button, so I can't capitalize like I'm supposed to. But anyway, when you fill this letter out, you'll use proper grammar and syntax. All right. And see, I'm doing this on my phone, so you can see how easy it is. You can do this on your phone. It's a little bit easier to do it on your computer if you have it. I'm just making up a social there. But yeah, you get the point. You just fill out your personal info. All right, we're just gonna leave the same date of birth. Boom. All right. What's today's date? July the 14th, I believe. $2020. Oh. And so, and then when we get the address of the credit bureau here, what was this thing? Equifax? Oh, this was Experian. Okay. All right, so I have the Experian somewhere around here. Let me see if it's on my clipboard now. Trying to keep consumer here. All right, we'll look up the Experience thing here. Now, the Myecon gives you Experian and all the addresses that you need. Are you serious? All right, get out of here. Anyway, you would just put Experian's address right there. So now, and then, let's look at what negative items has John Q. Consumer got? He's got a public record. What happened on this public record? Who cares what happened? You got a public record right here. So basically what you would do, he must have got evicted or something. Liability claim, potentially negative. All right. Is it given a account number? No. Identification number. So we'll just do Maine County Clerk. Copy. And paste it. Account number, this account number was 1. Unverified account. So that's what you do there. So let's go back to his report here. Let's go down to the next item. ABCD banks. So as you see, this thing ain't rocket science. You just follow directions, you get results. I think I need to trade that, mark that. Y'all hear about that story with the Redskins? They had some realtor, he bought up a bunch of trademarks so when the Redskins went to change their name, they didn't have nothing. So they're gonna have to pay out of the behind. They're gonna have to pay this guy out of the behind to name themselves Hey, what's up, Alexander? What's up? We just filling out a mock credit report letter. They're gonna have to pay out of their behind to name themselves the Warriors or whatever they're gonna name themselves. All right, so yeah, we get another negative item. We just put the name And so in this account number, you'll get the account number listed something like this on the account report. That's fine. You just put it as it is. It shows up on the report. What other items you got on this thing? Main collection agency. Let's go ahead and challenge that too. See, you just copy. See what I'm doing? Anybody could do this. See, the letters are just pretty, you just follow directions, man. That's all you do. Where that account number at? All right, this will do it. We're just going to do 3. Bam. All right, so we got the account. So, it's got spot, the letter has spot for 6. I mean, if you know how to use a word processing app, you can add more lines to this table here. It's not a big deal. Print your name, sign it. You can have it notarized if you like. I know people that do it. Some people do have it notarized. These notarized, I normally don't. It's just really up to you. You just go to your bank or whatever and get it notarized. Boom. Send it off to Experian. Like I said, our credit report gives you Experian. Our credit system gives you Experian's address. You can look it up too. So you just send it to Experian, like I showed you here. Once they get, and you want to send it certified mail, 30 days when they receive it. The reason why you send it certified mail is because you get a receipt of when they received it. So, 35 days. So if they receive it on the 19th or whatever, so August the 19th, you should be getting an answer pretty soon. And a lot of times, items like this get removed. They don't get verified. So let's say you send this off and 30 days later, 2 of these don't get verified. They get removed off your credit report. Maybe all 3, maybe just 1. You just have to try it and see. Now, if the first letter don't work, you can keep going. There's other rounds of letters that you get. You get 4 rounds of letters, plus you get other letters like pay for delete, stuff like that. But right now, you're getting these letters as part of the smart credit system. But right now, you get the smart credit system. You can get W4 training. You can get the cashback mall. You can get travel discount. You can get access to a bunch of different things, as well as a home-based business opportunity where you can make 25. How many people do you know has negative items in their credit report? How many people do you know could use a raise in their score, could use more take-home pay from their job? If you know, just count them people on your hand, multiply that by 25, and see that's how much Myecon's paying. You refer them to this service, it's 25 per person. Plus our teams, we're teaching you how to attract more people to you, so that you can make potentially a $25 per Facebook, IG, YouTube follower, Twitter follower. It's pretty limitless with this work at home opportunity. So you definitely want to take advantage of it. You start it for only $29.95. It's $35 a month. Plus, you get paid for it. As long as those people keep the service, you get paid monthly, residuals. So, it's a tremendous, tremendous opportunity of what Alex Spencer tell you. He's been using it. I've been using it. I've got a bunch of teammates using it. You just look through my timeline. Where's my camera at? Look through my timeline, and you'll see the results that people are having. I just posted a video from a friend of mine, April. She used the same letter and had stuff removed off her credit report, cleaned up her credit, and she was able to buy a new truck, brand new truck. So you definitely want to look at this. If you want to learn more, you want to get started, comment below, message me. I'll give you the information and get you started. And like I said, it's just a simple process. If you can follow directions, you can get results. Anyway, that's my time. I got to get going, get started on my day. Hope you have a good morning. David, have a good morning. Have a safe morning. y'all, and I will holler at y'all later.